Good day. Welcome to Kenti TV. My name is George, and today we'll be having a sit down interview with a representative from Accra Premium, the organizers for Accra Food Festival. Today, he will take us through the happenings, the new additions, and the returning features of the festival this year. So today with us, we have Mr. Raymond Antwi, our representative from Accra Premium. Mr. Raymond, thank you for being here.
Hi, George. Thanks for having me.
All right. So on to our first question today. How did the idea for the food festival come about with Accra Premium?
Okay, so it's Accra Premium. That is the premium in Accra.
Yes.
All right, so the company is Accra Premium, and the CEO happens to be Melissa Mensah.
All right.
She's a lawyer, a philanthropist, and a foodie. So as a lover of food, she just realized that the whole of Accra doesn't really have a food event.
A centralized
One food event where many varieties of vendors comes together to showcase. She also likes to travel a lot. So the whole idea is not about food, hospitality, lifestyle brands, beauty brands, but it's just food that is spearheading the whole thing. But we have other aspects under it, actually.
of course.
Yeah, so she thought it wise to bring all these people together. So people that like good things would actually come around and then join to make a festival.
How does the food at the festival represent Ghana's culinary diversity, and what flavors can attendees expect to taste?
We actually never have a fixed list of vendors. Some fall out, some fall in, and they are all good. So this year it's going to be variety, right? From food, lifestyle, hospitality brands, the makeup, the beauty brands, everything is going to be there. The lineup for this year is crazy. So we have Jungle Bros coming in. We have Sahara Solace. We have the Craft Cabbage Chocolate. We have the Woke Boys. We have the Marty Spa. We have the Cashew Daddy, and many others. You should expect a whole lot of variety when it comes to food, drinks, hospitality, beauty, anything you can think of is on the Accra Food Festival grounds.
How has Accra Premium gone about reconnecting local businesses to their clientele?
Good. That has been one of the main motives of the event. The people are there not just to chill, but for the vendors there to also connect with them and see if they could get business opportunities. We've had a whole lot of vendors calling us to say, I got a wedding gig from the food festival. People came, they tested the food, and it was nice. And you know, the food festival has live cooking and other stuff going on. So
Fantastic.
yes, it is very, very good. And then they end up getting more businesses after the event, link-ups from the customers that came to have fun. So it is a whole big thing that's happening. A whole connection community that everyone needs to be part of.
With networking as it's networking, food.
People find their wives, people find their husbands, people get more businesses. A whole lot of things happening there at the food festival ground.
That is amazing. Can you tell us about any partnerships or collaborations you've established with local farmers, artisans, and other vendors to make the festival a truly community-driven event?
All right, so Accra Premium owns the Feed 1000 Family Outreach. It's a foundation we set up. So after the event, we use our proceeds together with some support from some partners over the years to feed 1,000 families anywhere. We try to do a survey to see where we should go this year. We've been to Waja during when there was a flood. We've been to the north. We've been to Ashaman. We've been to Osu. We've been to Medina. So before the food festival begins, we already have a targeted area we'll be going to feed. So yes, and then some of the people that have been on board to support us, we have Jota Cement, we have KFC, and then we have another foundation called the Casta Diva Foundation. So we all team up and then make sure the food festival is a community-driven event, because after we feed hungry people too.
Are there any interactive elements or activities planned during the festival which will allow attendees to learn more about Ghanaian cuisine or participate in the cooking process?
Oh yes, we do. We do have chefs cooking live. We do have other artisans doing whatever they are doing live there. So it is exciting to watch somebody cook or watch somebody draw or watch somebody do something that you can do. Yes, but for the cooking competition, we do have events where people sign up and then we organize the cooking competition. But that is not done on the food festival day. The food festival done, the cooking is done by the brand. Yours is just to enjoy, purchase, and then connect.
What new aspects of the festival and side attractions can attendees look forward to?
A whole lot. For the past 10 years, we've been doing the food festival on the Polo Club. Then we moved to Independence Square for two years. Then we came back to the Polo Club. And this year, for the first time, we are moving to the forecourt of the State House. So when the venue is actually different, and the forecourt of the State House is such a free, serene environment that a whole lot of things can go on.
Indeed.
It's a bigger space. And then parking of cars and the other stuff wouldn't be a problem.
Logistics.
Yes, it wouldn't be a problem. So this year is going to be greatest, trust me, it's going to be the greatest. Aside that, we have some artists that are performing. We want to keep them a secret and surprise our clients as we do every time. We have performances from Diasa, we have cultural troops performing. And then inside the festival going on, vendors have the liberty to also showcase what they have. Some have some artistic designs they would also want to be doing while selling. So a whole lot of new experiences this year at the forecourt of the State House. Just come and witness it with your eyes.
Attendees this year are going to have a full house of enjoyment and excitement.
And a full space for everybody.
More freedom to move.
Yeah. Even if you want to spend the night, it's possible. It's a 2 days event, Saturday to Sunday.
You have to show me the tents. Do you have anything else to tell our viewers today? Any more secrets to share?
All right. So as I said earlier, the 10th annual Accra Food Festival is happening September 23rd, September 24th at the forecourt of the State House. Tell a friend to tell a friend. It's an open event. Everybody is invited. You can come along with your wife, your side chick, your kids, your friends, and even your enemy. Nobody is left out. It's a 2 days event, Saturday, Sunday. I know you call in sick on Monday. Hoping to see you all September 23rd, 24th at the forecourt of the State House. When you get to Ridge Roundabout, the sound and the aroma of the food will lead you to the forecourt of the State House. Hoping to see you all.